Will installing Linux on Xbox One void the warranty of the device?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a question that's been stirring the curiosity of many. Will installing Linux on your Xbox One void its warranty? There's a lot to unpack, so let's dive right in.
What is Xbox One's warranty policy?
Xbox One, like any other electronic device, comes with a manufacturer's warranty. This warranty covers any defects in workmanship and materials under normal use for a specific period after purchase. However, modifications or unauthorized changes to the hardware or software of the device can result in the warranty being voided. This is a standard practice across many tech industries, and Microsoft, the manufacturer of Xbox, is no exception.
Does installing Linux on Xbox One count as an unauthorized change?
In a nutshell, yes. Linux is an open-source operating system that is not officially supported on the Xbox One. When you install Linux or any other unauthorized operating system on your Xbox One, you are making significant software modifications. This is seen as an unauthorized change by Microsoft. Consequently, this modification could potentially void your warranty, which means Microsoft might not cover any repair or replacement costs if something goes wrong with your device.
Is there any way around this?
Well, theoretically, yes. The key factor here is whether or not Microsoft can detect the changes you've made. If you restore the Xbox One to its original state before sending it in for service, there might not be any issues. However, it's important to note that this is a risky strategy and doesn't guarantee your warranty will still be honored. If Microsoft somehow detects that unauthorized changes have been made, even if they've been reversed, your warranty could still be void. In conclusion, installing Linux on an Xbox One is considered an unauthorized change and can potentially void your device's warranty. While it might be tempting to explore the possibilities that Linux can offer on the Xbox One, be aware of the potential consequences. It's always important to consider whether the benefits outweigh the risks before modifying your device. Always make informed decisions about your tech. We hope this has been informative, and remember, technology is best enjoyed responsibly.